In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two QuickBooks Online accounts. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you've ended up with duplicate accounts or simply want to streamline your bookkeeping processes. Merging accounts in QuickBooks Online is straightforward, but it's important to understand each step to ensure a smooth transition. First things first, let's head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. You can simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online site. Once you're there, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click to get started. Now, go ahead and enter your registered email address and password to access your account. It's essential to double check that these details are correct to avoid any login issues. Next, click on the Sign In button to continue into your QuickBooks Online environment. After signing in, you'll need to access your account settings. Look for the gear icon, typically located at the top of the page. It's your gateway to all the customizable settings within QuickBooks Online. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, locate and select Chart of Accounts. This is where you manage all your accounts and start the merging process. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, it's time to identify the account you wish to merge. You can do this by typing the account name into the search bar. This helps to quickly locate the specific account without having to scroll through a potentially long list. When you have found the account, click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This action will reveal additional options, one of which is Edit. Select that option to make changes to the account details. Now here's the crucial part of the process. You'll need to change the account name to exactly match the name of the account that you want to merge it with. This step is vital because QuickBooks Online requires that the names match perfectly in order to merge them successfully. Once you've updated the name, click Save to confirm the changes. QuickBooks will prompt a confirmation window asking if you're sure you want to merge the accounts. Double check that you've selected the correct accounts and then click on Yes, Merge Accounts to complete the process. And there you have it, your accounts are now merged. This consolidation helps keep your records cleaner and more organized. Remember, merging cannot be undone, so always ensure that you're merging the correct accounts. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your QuickBooks Online accounts.